You ever wonder why 90% of traders lose money? It's not because they're dumb. It's not even because they're undisciplined. It's because they have no system. And when you trade without a system, you're not trading, you're just reacting. You're gambling with extra steps. Anyone can win once, but if your strategy isn't testable, repeatable, and adaptable, then you're just rolling dice with expensive software. So today, I'm going to walk you through the blueprint for trading systems that actually work. Not just in backtests, not just in theory, but in real, live, unforgiving markets. Because when you have a real system, you don't panic when the market moves. You follow your edge. You compound results. You build confidence. Ready? Let's build. Step 1. The system is not the setup. First, let's destroy a myth. Your entry signal is not your trading system. A moving average cross isn't a system. An RSI divergence isn't a system. A system is a complete process, from scanning to execution to risk control to review. That YouTube strategy that wins on 1-minute charts in Euro US dollar, if it doesn't tell you how to size positions, manage drawdown, and exit consistently, then it's not a system, it's bait. Step 2. Define your market behavior. Every system must begin with what you believe about the market. Are you trading mean reversion or momentum? Are you fading exhaustion or riding breakouts? Because your system has to reflect your thesis. Your logic must define what conditions you profit in. A winning system doesn't fight randomness. It defines a specific edge, then exploits it over and over again. Step 3, your edge must be observable and repeatable. Ask yourself this: can I explain exactly what I'm looking for so clearly that another trader could execute it without guessing? If your setup depends on gut feeling, it's not a system, it's a story. Real systems are boring. They don't care about news, they don't care about opinions, they care about rules. Step 4, define your risk logic. Now here's where most people get lazy. They'll spend 20 hours perfecting entries and 2 minutes setting stops. That's backwards. Your system lives or dies by how it handles risk. So ask, where is the setup invalidated? How much am I willing to risk per trade? What's my maximum drawdown before I stop? If you don't know your risk logic, you don't have a system, you have a leak. Step 5, test it until it breaks, then rebuild. Back test it, forward test it, demo it, paper trade it, live test it on minimum size. If you can't run 100+ trades and extract meaningful data, you're still guessing. A blueprint without pressure testing is just decoration. Great systems are forged in fire, in chop, in pullbacks, in fakeouts, in boredom. And the more boring it becomes, the more money it starts making. Step 6, track everything or die slowly. You need to track not just results, but execution quality, setup consistency, mental clarity. Your edge isn't just in the chart, it's in the discipline loop, because the feedback loop, that's where amateurs vanish and professionals are born. Step 7, automate or refine. Once it works, systematize further. Can you turn it into an algo? Can you turn it into a checklist? Can you trade it without hesitation, even on your worst day? If not, it's not done. The best trading systems feel like brushing your teeth. No adrenaline, no hype, just execution. Let's be honest. Most traders don't lose because they're wrong. They lose because they don't even know what their system is. But if you build something real, backed by logic, by data, by discipline, then losses don't shake you. They inform you. That's the difference between random trades and a scalable edge. So don't copy what worked for someone else in 2017. Don't rely on one signal from one YouTuber. Build your system, test it, track it, and trade it like a machine. That's how you stay in the game. That's how you grow. That's how you win long term.